You're tired. Not just need a quick nap, tired. I'm talking bone deep, brain fog, can't get off the couch tired. And the culprit isn't a lack of sleep. It's hiding right now in your bloodstream. You drink the coffee. You eat the healthy breakfast. You try to power through the afternoon. But by 2 p.m., you crash. Hard. You start wondering, what is wrong with me? Let me stop you right there. There's nothing wrong with you. Your daily energy crisis isn't a willpower problem, and it's not just about getting older. It's a blood sugar problem. Today, we are going to break down exactly how your blood sugar is secretly wrecking your energy, the hidden science behind the crash, and the exact blueprint to fix it so you can finally feel alive again. To understand why you're tired, we have to look at what happens after you eat. Let's use the campfire analogy. When you eat a meal heavy in refined carbohydrates or sugars, think bagels, sweetened yogurts, or even that healthy fruit smoothie, it's like throwing a massive pile of dry kindling on a campfire. Whoosh! You get a massive, roaring flame. In your body, this is a blood sugar spike. For about 30 to 45 minutes, you feel great. You have energy, you're focused, you're invincible. But kindling burns fast. And when it burns out, you're left in the cold. In your body, that rapid burnout is called reactive hypoglycemia. Your body panics at the massive sugar spike and releases a huge flood of insulin to clear it out. But insulin is aggressive. It clears the sugar too fast, dropping your blood sugar below your baseline. That drop? That is the exact moment you experience the 2 p.m. brain fog, the cravings, and the heavy eyelids. But it gets worse. If you do this day after day, your cells get overwhelmed by the constant flood of insulin. They literally lock the doors. This is early-stage insulin resistance. Now, you have plenty of glucose, energy, floating in your blood, but it can't get inside the cell where it's actually burned for fuel. It's like having a tank full of gas, but no key to open the cap. Your blood is full of energy, but your cells are starving. And when your cells starve, your body forces you to feel exhausted to make you stop moving and conserve energy. Now, you might be thinking, but I'm not diabetic. My doctor says my blood sugar is fine. And you're right. You can have normal fasting blood sugar, but still suffer from massive glucose variability, meaning your spikes and crashes are violent, even if your average is normal. Recent data from continuous glucose monitors, or CGMs, worn by hundreds of thousands of non-diabetics, has blown the lid off this. We now know that it's not just the spike that makes you tired, it's the roller coaster. When your blood sugar swings wildly, it creates oxidative stress and inflammation in your bloodstream. A landmark study published in the journal Diabetes Care found that high glucose variability independently causes fatigue and endothelial dysfunction, even in people with completely normal HbA1c levels. Furthermore, a massive study from Stanford and the Zoe Predict trials showed that our blood sugar responses to food are highly individual. That bowl of oatmeal that gives your friends steady energy might send your glucose into the stratosphere and crash you an hour later. This means the standard food pyramid advice is failing you. You are playing a guessing game with your metabolism, and your energy is the price you're paying. But the good news? We can flatten the curve. And when you flatten the curve, the energy comes rushing back. Here is your practical blueprint to stabilize your blood sugar and get your energy back. I call this the Flatten the Curve protocol. It takes zero extra time, but it changes everything. Step 1. Food sequencing. You don't even have to change what you eat, just the order. Eat your fiber and vegetables first. Protein and fat second. Carbs and sugars last. Studies show this simple swap can reduce your post-meal glucose spike by up to 73%. The fiber creates a mesh in your intestines, slowing down the absorption of the carbs you eat later. Step 2. The 10-minute sink. After your largest meal, go for a brisk 10-minute walk. Your muscles are the largest sink for glucose in your body. When you contract them, they pull sugar out of your bloodstream without even needing insulin. It literally shaves the peak off your glucose spike. Step 3. The savory morning. How you start your day dictates your energy for the next 12 hours. If you start with a sweet breakfast, you guarantee a roller coaster day. Switch to a savory, protein-forward breakfast. Eggs, Greek yogurt, leftovers. Keep your morning glucose flat, and your afternoon energy will follow. Step 4. The ACV hack. If you're going to eat a heavy carb meal, drink 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar in a tall glass of water 10 minutes before. The acetic acid temporarily slows down the breakdown of starches into sugar. It's a biological cheat code. So your energy isn't gone. It's just locked behind a blood sugar wall. Implement these 4 steps this week, and I promise you, you will feel a difference you haven't felt in years. But here is the thing. Flattening your blood sugar curve is only step 1. Because even with perfect glucose levels, 90% of people are missing one crucial mitochondrial cofactor that actually turns that glucose into usable ADP cellular energy. If you fix your blood sugar but you're still tired, it's because your cellular engine is missing the spark plug. I'm revealing exactly what that missing cofactor is, and the 3 foods to get it in the next video. Click the video on the screen right now, and I'll see you over there.